Allah who is most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajid Ali Satpara and I am the son of Muhammad Ali Satpara. I want to thank all well-wishers who prayed us, who remember in well messages my father and mine. Ali Satpara is the son of Pakistan and who has dreamed to raise the flag and the name of Pakistan in the highest point of the world. Suddenly disappearance of my father Ali Satpara in winter is not easy for my family and for us. The Pakistani nation and the Pak army stand with us in this difficult time. So I am thankful to the whole nation and Pakistani army from the core of my heart and on behalf of my family. The all well-wishers and supporters of my father and mine, and also John Snorri and JP, I am thankful who stand with us during the winter accident, during the search effort of winter, and now this summer search mission. I tried a lot to get a sponsorship for this search mission, which I lead this summer. But unfortunately, due to limited sources and limited efforts, I am also not in good condition that time to get to work properly to get sponsors. I did not get any support. So the Canadian high-altitude filmmaker Elias Akle have a mission to do a documentary, which also with us in winter while shooting a documentary on the life of my father John Snorri in last winter 2020-21. So I came with him in this mission, and we luckily, with the grace of Allah Almighty, we found the bodies of 3 climbers near Bottleneck, JP, father and John Snorri. And to honor the winter missing climbers and pay tribute to them, I climbed K2 again and hoist the flag of Pakistan at the top. And I decided to come down, and I come down, and from John's body we found a GoPro, mobile and Garmin, and John's body was in a